Hi, Jonathan York from Bay Financial Partners, looking at the investment markets. Markets seem to wash really with good sort of positive news at the moment. First off, the ECB and Eurozone has accepted the redefined terms from Greece. That's given them a further 4-month extension there, which has really been viewed as obviously pretty good news, certainly for Greece. Their share market was up around 10%. But the rest of Europe is also taking a little bit of heart from that as well, because despite all the bravado on the recent Greek elections, really Greece does need the Eurozone. In the US, the market continues to be supported by reasonable data out there, and in the latest testimony from Fed Chairperson Yellen, the Fed has confirmed that it will be patient now before raising interest rates. That's given the market a little bit more sort of support and the heart that interest rates won't be ramped up aggressively, although we're still expecting rates to start to be increased later on this year. On the domestic front, we had Fletcher Building give a little bit of market guidance there on its latest earnings report. And that was a little bit disappointing. They sort of struggled a little bit, not necessarily here in New Zealand, but really in Australia. But the big news here domestically, finally, there's a sort of retail bond offer out there. Well, it's a capital note actually from ANZ. They've announced a capital note that will be a range of 3.5 to 3.6 over the 5-year rate. If set today, that would give an indication of around sort of 720 to 730 on the interest rates for the next 5 years. Come May 2020, then has the ability to either be repaid, converted to shares, or rolled over for a further 2 years. If it is rolled over for a further 2 years, the interest rate will then be that margin again of sort of 3.5 to 3.6 over the 3-month bill rate at the time. Now, it's quite important to note here there will be no public pool for this, so you won't just be able to send off applications. You have to go through a broker. So if you are interested, call us on 0800 867 323. Just repeat that, there's no public pool, so you need to call us on 0800 867 323 or go to the website www.bayfinancialpartners.co.nz. We need to know that that interest there by the 4th of March, really around 3 p.m. on the 4th of March is sort of our cut-off date, so we can get our bids in. There is an early bird interest rate as well of 4.5%, and the offer opens on March the 6th. So to recap, if you're interested in that ANZ, you need to call us 0800 867 323 or go to the website www.bayfinancialpartners.co.nz. We look forward to speaking to you soon.